Good morning, everyone. How are you? Grade 6. Last lecture we have done exercises. Now see the next exercise, page number 62. Mettez les verbes en présent. Some three verbs are given here: acheter verb, commencer verb, and faire verb. So these three verbs are given on, see the page number 57. This one is faire verb. And page number 59, acheter and commencer verb given. So you can see these verbs and you can take help from here and you can do the exercise easily. The first one is this is acheter verb. So j'achète une nouvelle robe. Je sound go with a, so j'achète une nouvelle robe. Okay, I buy a new dress. Nouvelle is new, robe is your dress. Okay, girl's dress, robe. This one is girl dress. And achète is to buy. Okay, je achète une nouvelle robe. I buy a new dress. Le cours des à 9 heures. The class started 9 o'clock. Okay, le cours is class. Commence is to start at 9 o'clock. Il des bon. Okay, il fait bon. Okay, it's beautiful. Il fait bon. It's beautiful. Okay, bon is beautiful. Faire is to make, but his meaning is il fait bon. It's beautiful. Nous des notre travail. Okay, commence is given, so commence will come. Okay, this is based on conjugation of the verb. You can see the page number. Backside verb is given. So nous commençons notre travail. We start our work. Notre is your R and travail is your work. Okay. Then les femmes des le ménage. The girl, oh sorry, les femmes is ladies. Okay. And faire verb is to do and to make. Les ménages is your housework. Okay. The ladies do the housework. Ménage, MENAG, meaning is to housework. Okay. Il des un nouvel appartement. Okay. They achètent. Achète is to buy and il is they. ILS, meaning is to they. Okay. So they buy a nouvel is new. Appartement is apartment. Okay. They buy new apartment. Then G part. Vous des une promenade. Faire vous is for you. Okay. And vous fait une promenade. Promenade is your walk, evening walk, morning walk, and like this. Okay. So promenade is your walk. Okay. Then question number 3. For question number 3, you can see the page number 58. Okay, fais des phrases avec l'expression. This will be easy to do and you can see the pictures and you can understand the meanings. Okay, so first one is avoir soif, to be thirsty. Okay, and second one is avoir raison, to be success or to be right. And avoir peur, to fear and to be afraid. Then avoir chaud, to be hot. It's talking about the weather. Or avoir sommeil. Sommeil is to feel sleepy. Okay. Or to be tired. Okay. So these are the meanings of these all words. So okay, the first one is avoir soif, to be thirsty. Then second is avoir raison, okay, to be right. Third one is avoir peur, okay, to be fear or afraid. Avoir chaud, to be hot. And avoir sommeil, okay, to be sleepy or to be tired. Okay, so these are the words. Okay, and you can see the pictures and you can make the sentence. Okay, same we have to make. So I'm going to read. The third A part is je soif. The sound is je soif. Second one is B part, je raison. B part is je raison. C part, the per. Okay, the per. For D part, je show. Je show. E part, je sommeil. Je sommeil. Okay, these are the sounds of these words. Now see the exercise number 4. Remplissez les blancs avec l'expression de faire. Okay, so you have to do exercise 4. Okay, with the expressions of faire verb, which is given in page number 57. These all pictures are based on these expressions of faire verb. So see, the first one is nous allons en jardin. Okay, we go to the garden. And nous faisons une promenade. Okay, we do a faisons is to do, to make. Une promenade is to walk. Okay, so nous faisons une promenade. Okay, so B part, je porte un pullover. Okay, je porte un pullover. Okay, je porte is to wear, P-O-R-T, it means to wear, and un pullover is a sweater. Okay, il fait froid, it's cold. Okay, when someone feel cold, then wear the sweater. So why is wearing? Because it's cold. Il fait froid, it's cold. Okay, en automne, in autumn season. Okay, il fait du vent, it's windy. Il fait du vent. Okay, it's windy. Then ma mère, what mama is doing? Ma mère fait la cuisine. Ma mère, my mother, fait la cuisine. Ma mère fait la cuisine. Cuisine is your kitchen. Okay, my mother making foods. Okay, faire is to do or to make. La cuisine is to make food. Okay, your dishes. So E part, tu vas à la piscine. Tu vas is aller verb, and tu vas is you go, à la piscine, to the swimming pool. Okay, you go to the swimming pool. Then we have to make sentence with tu, same. So tu fais de la natation, you do the swimming. Tu fais de la natation. Natation is your swimming. Okay, piscine is your swimming pool, and natation is your swimming. Okay, so now come down page number 64. Répondez en question. Okay, two questions given. One is A, one is B. Il y a combien de jours dans une semaine? The first one question. Okay, you have to tell the weekdays. Okay, so il y a combien, how many days of the week? So I have written all, it is already in your book. Okay, so il y a 7 jours dans une semaine, there are 7 days in a week. Okay, écrivez-les, it means write. So lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay, these all are 7. Then exercise 6, B part, you have to do on your own. Il y a combien de mois dans une année? How many months in a year? So you have to write the name of the months. Okay, earlier you have done this one. Okay, last grade you have done. So write down the month's name. Do this one B part on your own, everyone. Okay, it's very easy. Now see the question number 7. There are 4 verbs. 2 verbs are the second and third verb already given in your book. I already told you. See the page number 59. And acheter and commencer. Second and third verb already given in page number 59. Now I have done only two verbs. One is fare and one is shoot. Okay, this is shoot. Okay, the sound is S-A-U-T-E-R. This is shoot. Okay, and the first one is fare. Okay, so see the fare verb. Je fais. This is the fare verb. The sound is je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, nous faisons. We have done this one in exercise. Vous faites, ils font, elles font. These are the sounds of these fare verbs. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. Okay, these are the sounds of this fare verb. And shoot verb, je shoot. Okay, that time sound will come only S-A-U-T till T. E sound will not come. So je shoot, tu shoot, je shoot. In this ending is S, so till E sound will come. Je shoot, tu shoote, il shoot, elle shoot, nous shootons, vous shootez, il shoot, elle shoot. These are the sounds of this verb. Okay, and I have done only these two verbs. This is one is fare and one is shoot. Okay, and these achete and commence already in your book. See the page number 59. Okay, so you have to write these two verbs also. Don't leave these two verbs. You have to write all the four verbs of this chapter. Page number 64, exercise number 7. Okay, so you have to write all these exercises and you have to learn also. So this is your work. Okay, so take care everyone and do your work properly. Thank you so much.